I have brought one video into my timeline. I wanted to add the other video of sunsets in the southern sky in this video as an overlay. First I need to bring this video onto the timeline. Okay. I have brought that video clip on top of the other one. Let me first make the duration equal without losing the content. So I need to press the rate tool over here, which is already pressed over there as it is in orange color. And then what I would do is I will click and drag it backward so that it will fall in line with the main video. Now the durations are same. Now what you need to do is you need to click this video clip over there. It is already clicked over there. And then you go to the viewer panel, and at the corner you have a dot like small square at the corner. You need to click over there carefully and then reduce the scale of the overlaid video, and that is how you do it. And then you highlight that one and then bring it to the corner where you want, or wherever the place you wanted to place it. Now that is one method. Okay, let me first delete this one to show the other method by using the controls. What I would do is I'll delete that one, and then I'll bring the video clip again into the timeline. And now what I would do is I will again make the durations equal. So I'll first highlight this one and then press this rate tool, which is already pressed over there as it is in orange color. Now what I would do is I'll click and drag backwards over there in line with the main video clip. Now I will first make sure that it is highlighted. It is already highlighted. I'll go to the controls over there, and as you can see over there the scale and position is there. What you need to do is you need to reduce this scale. Now it is 100%. You have to reduce it to bring it to the left over there, and then you need the position control to move it around. What you need to do is you need to increase this left scale so that it will move to the right. And then the other one, if you increase it, it moves up. Okay, that's how you use both methods. Now let me play and show you. Okay,